What's up, Diecast fam? Your boy Big A here. Welcome to another unboxing video. These two boxes are from my man Andres Cruz. If you guys don't know who he is, go check him out. He does some very cool custom work. Alright guys, without further ado, let me show you what he sent us. I'm not gonna lie guys, I went ahead and cut the tape off the sides and everything to make it easier for me to handle these boxes. So let's get to it. So let's start off with this one right here. Nicely packed. Alright guys, so let's check it out. Nice. He sent me this cool 1963 Chevy 2 in a nice green metallic with the flames and the chrome wheels, black interior. Very nice. Let's see. He also sent me this cool 59 Chevy Impala, also in a cool green with some white flames. Very cool. Let's see here. Oh, nice. He sent me this cool 1969 Dodge Coronet Super B in a nice blue, cool flames. Very cool. Let's check this one out over here. Oh, nice. Let's check this out, guys. This is the 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger. It comes in a nice red color, black interior. It's got the cool black and white stripes on the side. It's got some matching decals on the hood and on the back. Very cool. Alright guys, so as you can see, he secured this one very well. Let's see how well I could handle this with one hand. And so far so good. Let's see here. Alright guys, I'm going to put the phone down and get this out of here because I'm getting very frustrated. I'll be right back. Alright guys, are you ready for this? Let's see what my man sent me. Oh man. Oye chico, ¿qué me han mandado tú? No me esperaba esto. This is really cool, man. This is a 1957 Chevrolet 150 Handyman station wagon gasser, and this is a chase. Check this out, guys. This is limited to 750 pieces. Man, bro, I was not expecting this. This thing is super sweet. Oh, man. Dude, I'm so stoked about this. Thank you so much, man. This is my very first M2 Chase that I have in my collection. Definitely gonna hang on to this one. Thank you, bro. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, let's get this box out of the way and move on to the next one. Man, this is well packed. Let's see. Oh man, this is a big boy over here. Let's see. Ay, chico, ¿qué me mandaste? Oh man. Let's see. Dude, what is this? Alright guys, check this out. This is the Hess RV with ATV and the motorbike. Man, this is really cool, dude. I've never seen these around. Yeah, it's brand new in the pack and everything. Everything's in perfect condition, but let me see. It might not be what I think it is. Or is it? Are you playing games with me, brother? Hold on a second, let me check this out. Alright guys, so here it is out of the box. Check this out, guys. Very cool RV. It's got the Hess livery and deco. It's got some red and chrome wheels. Very cool. Bro, I was not expecting this at all. This is off the hook, brother. Very nice. Bro, thank you very much for everything you sent me, man. I'm very stoked about these. I might have them, but it's all good, brother. This one I did not have, actually. But these three I do have, but I don't mind having more so that I could wheel swap them. But yeah, definitely this is the heavy hitter right here. You knocked it out of the park, man. Very cool. Alright guys, so this is what he sent me, and this is definitely the heavy hitter. So man, I'm so stoked. Like I said guys, this is my very first M2 Chase that I have in my collection, and I'm very happy. Bro, thank you very much for sending me this. I greatly appreciate it. Go Go check him out, guys. Cruz on YouTube. He does awesome custom work. Alright guys, so this is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm definitely stoked about this one, man. So anyways, guys, go show my man some support. Tell him that your boy Big Ace Diecast sent you over his way. You guys take care. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.